This is the evolution of the Chinese character 人, which means man, human being, or people. The Chinese oracle bone inscription for 人 is a pictograph that resembles a person standing sideways. The person is standing with his hands outstretched in front of him. His waist and knees are slightly bent forward. Why did Chinese ancestors choose such a symbol to represent human beings? Let's look around the world and look deep into history to see other Asian writing systems. In the Egyptian hieroglyphs, human is also a pictograph, resembling a man sitting on his side. His buttocks are sitting on his left leg. His right leg is bent on the ground, and his right hand reaches forward as if he is gesturing or giving orders. Many similar Egyptian hieroglyphs are very vivid and exquisite, like small pictures. The Maya glyphs, or Maya script for human, is also a pictograph, resembling the left side of the head of a young man. Many Maya glyphs contain an image of human or other animal's head. The Mayan ancestors probably believed that the head was the most important part of animals. Compared to these two characters, Chinese character 人 uses only two strokes to depict the overall appearance of a person. Although it is also a pictograph, it is highly symbolic. Some people believe that the oracle bone inscription 人 resembles a person standing sideways and working with his hands. Other people believe that it is the side view of a man bending his knees and waist to salute or greet someone, with his hands joining together. Chinese characters gradually evolved from oracle bone inscription to regular script. The character 人 changed from standing and reaching out hands to walking upright. Actually, the regular 人 is more human-like and easier to understand and write. Now, we are standing far away and can only see the outline of a person in the distance. But it is easy to see that he is walking or running. 人 can be used as the radical 人 or 单人旁. We can add the character 二 to form 人, which means love, humane, or humanity. It is pronounced exactly the same as 人. We can understand it like this. 二 means two, or number two, or the second. If there is a second person, we should love him or her as we love ourselves, because we are all human beings. If there are only two people in the world, just like Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, they certainly love each other. 人 and 人 can form the word 人人, which means a person with great love or virtue. As you probably already know, 人 is the core concept of Confucianism.